00 is 4 now at the time of this video. We can see here at obvious the market, retail investors as well as just average crypto traders looking to buy the dip here on Jasmy. I think an extraordinary passage point here. On the off chance that we investigate the most recent 7 days directly down somewhat last month, we are seeing extremely green month for Jasmy, and we investigate the last year here for Jasmy. Clearly it is in the red. I think anything under 005006 is as yet an incredible passage point. An extraordinary chance to DCA here into Jasmy in the event that you are right now standing firm on a situation. However, needed to make this video to address a couple of things. I have been an extended getaway, and a portion of these things have been somewhat in my brain. I've been pondering Jasmy all the more explicitly, one being the flowing stock of Jasmy is staying here at 97% of the coursing supply is out. What's more, we've been discussing now on this channel of the final quarter lockup, for Jasmy, them securing a particular sum, which I don't have the foggiest idea about the set explicit sum. All in all, there has been gossipy tidbits about like 60%, I don't have the foggiest idea, simply crazy sums. Not crazy. However, there's gossip about Jasmy securing a nice measure of their circling supply. Presently we see that 97% and 97% of the normal stock, right, it's coursing. Or on the other hand 97% of the inventory is coursing, right, which to me is excellent information. Assuming we truly do get that lockup in quarter 4, which carries me to this tweet, I needed to impart to you guys here, right. We saw nearly $20 billion siphoned into Wave in 1 hour yesterday. That is a result of the impetus, right impetus. The amount somebody will pay for something is one of the spines of crypto and how markets and costs vary. So you can see here one great impetus can make Jasmy go up 5x in 1 hour also. We have a sluggish impetus of quarter 4 lockup. Try not to think about it. So the quarter 4 lockup is something I've been suggesting and discussing presently on this channel. Numerous other crypto YouTubers have been discussing the quarter 4 logo for Jasmy. What's more, once more, I'm not saying that is the single sole bullish explanation. I'm bullish on Jasmy. Yet, pushing ahead as we are in quarter 3 heading into quarter 3 of the year, that quarter 4 lockup is under a half year out. So in the event that you're DCA into Jasmy presently, I believe it's an extraordinary open door year to proceed to DCA. You investigate this tweet by the Jasmy advertiser. Here is an I found ponder a Jasmy advertiser Hidehiko Kakinuma, correct? He is the top dog accountable for item administration, arranging, corporate preparation, and showcasing. This we hear our promoting delegate from Jasmy is giving a show online 3.0 in Japan. Web 3.0 includes a large number of exercises led on decentralized blockchain, isn't that so? Everybody realizes what through is. Certain individuals say Web 3 is a system of crypto resources, however that is a serious mix-up. Web 3 is an idea proposed by a hypothesis fellow benefactor Gavin Wood and presently frequently alluded to as a watchword that concedes to the alludes to the circulate online environment upheld on the blockchain. Alright, so where IoT is explicitly where Jasmy is pushing ahead in the IoT space. You can see this tweet here too, and apparently the Google logo has gone through a change. You mirror the ascent of Web of Things, which is what depend on IT like how Jasmy has embraced it. Accordingly, Jasmy has picked up speed and prompts innovation firms to reevaluate their attention on the impending development. Information will be key, you guys, right? So you can see here's the new Google thing I surmise addressing Web of Things, such a lot of bullish residue as I would see it here for Jasmy. I think an extraordinary cost uniting, right, an incredible passage point here. I'm proceeding to DC empower me, hoping to get somewhat more as of now. Full straightforwardness, have about 1 million Jasmy focusing on DCA to draw nearer to 2 million here. However at 004, I reconsider long haul play here. We're talking 202, 520, 2620, even perhaps late 2024 bullish on Jasmy. Guys, that is a major update. Everything you must do is hit that buy in button and do a like on the video. In the event that you partook in the substance, you thought that it is valuable, it in all actuality does totally uphold the channel. It makes me realize that you guys like this substance, so leave a like, drop a remark down beneath. Gratitude for watching, guys. See you in the following one.